tutorial I'll guide you through the steps to change the wallpaper on your iPhone. Make sure to watch the entire video to avoid any mistakes. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Firstly, if you are using iOS 16 or later, simply swipe down from the top of the screen and hold your finger on a blank space to enable the wallpaper selector mode. Then swipe left or right to browse through the wallpapers that you have already created. Tap on the one you want to use and set it as your wallpaper. If you want to create a new wallpaper, tap on the plus sign to access the wallpaper categories. You can choose from featured, weather and astronomy, and Unity emoji collections and colors. Select a wallpaper by tapping on it. To set a custom, tap on Photos. To access your camera roll, scroll through your photos and select the one you want to use as your wallpaper. Pinch the screen to crop the photo and then tap on Add and Set as wallpaper. After setting your wallpaper, you may notice that the wallpaper on your home screen is blurred. To fix this, hold down on the wallpaper and tap on Customize. Then select Home Screen and tap on the blue icon to turn off the blur feature. Finally, hit Add and Done to save your changes. If you have any questions about the tutorial, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.